In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create projects and tasks in Asana. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity or streamline your team's workflow, this tutorial will walk you through the essential steps for managing projects effectively using Asana. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Asana's website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for one quickly and easily. It's important to have a dedicated account for keeping all your projects and tasks organized in one place. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Asana dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. To begin creating a new project, look for the Projects tab, typically located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will bring up a menu where you'll see an option to create a new project. Select this option to start a brand new project. When you create a project, Asana will prompt you to choose between several templates. These templates are designed to cater to various needs, whether you're planning a marketing campaign, managing a creative project, or tracking software development. Choosing the right template can streamline your setup process significantly. However, if none of the templates fits your specific needs, you also have the option to start from scratch and customize your project entirely. After selecting a template or opting for a blank canvas, it's time to name your project. Choose something clear and descriptive to ensure everyone involved will immediately understand what the project entails. You also have the option to add a description, which can include more detailed information on your project's objectives and scope. This is a great place to articulate the project's mission or any key information that needs to be shared with your team from the get-go. With your project set up, it's time to create tasks within it. Tasks are the backbone of your project. They break down the work into actionable steps. To add a task, simply click on the Add Task button, often represented by a plus sign or located within your project view. Give your task a specific title and assign it to a team member, providing a clear idea of who is responsible for what. Don't forget to set a due date for each task. This creates a timeline and helps keep everyone accountable and on track. Be sure to use Asana's options to add additional details, attachments, or subtasks as necessary, which enhance clarity and provide essential information all in one place. To keep your project organized, use sections to break down different components or phases within your project. Sections act as dividers and can help categorize tasks, making it easier to manage complex projects with numerous moving parts. Now, your project is ready to roll. Collaborate with your team by using Asana's communication features such as comments and mentions to keep the conversation going. Remember, the more detailed and organized you are in setting up your project and tasks, the smoother everything will run. That wraps up today's tutorial. With these simple steps, you can effectively create and manage projects in Asana, taking your productivity to the next level. Thanks for watching.